Tell me about yourself.
Hello sir, I am Priyanka, a recent BTech graduate from 2024 with a passion for coding and software development. I had learned front-end development and Python programming and enjoy building logical solutions and dynamic web pages. I am excited to apply my skills and knowledge in a dynamic environment with learning from experiences and grow as a developer. Thank you.
Okay. What is meant by JavaScript?
JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language. It adds dynamic behavior to web pages.
Okay. What are the ES6 features in JavaScript?
The ES6 features in JavaScript are let and constant, block scoped variables, arrow functions, simple and clean syntax, template literals, backticks, destructuring, extract values from arrays or objects, and promises is a to use asynchronous operations and callbacks, and also classes which tells about objects.
Okay. What is meant by promise?
Promises are used to solve asynchronous operations in JavaScript.
Okay. What is meant by asynchronous operations in JavaScript?
Asynchronous means which is not synchronous, and we can use keywords like async and await. Async is used to solve promise, and await is the keyword which stops the execution until the promise is executed.
Yes. What is meant by hosting?
Hosting is the default behavior of JavaScript which moves the variable declarations and function declarations to the top of their scope. The variables where is hosted but initialized as undefined, and the variables let and constant are also hosted but they are not initialized. It throws a error called reference error.
Okay. What is the difference between let, where, const?
Let is a block scoped element. It does not support redeclaration, but it supports reassignment.
Okay.
And the constant does not support redeclaration and reassignment. We usually used it for constant, that means fixed values, and variable varies can be redeclared and can be reassigned. In modern JavaScript, we use mainly let and constant for proper use.
Okay. What is the difference between undefined, null, and not defined?
Undefined means the variable is declared but not assigned any value to it. It usually takes undefined. Null means the variable is declared and manually set to no value. Not defined means the variable is not declared yet. It throws an error.
Okay. What is the difference between normal function and arrow function?
Normal function is a traditional way of declaring function using function keyword. Arrow functions are introduced new in ES6. It provides simple and clean syntax. The main difference between them is using this keyword, and this keyword usually not in arrow functions, but it takes it from outer scope. But in functions, it will be there.
Okay. What is the deep copy and shallow copy?
Shallow copy means copying the outermost structure but not the inner objects and nested objects. And deep copy means copying outermost structure and also inner objects. If we want to copy the variable, the original not affect in shallow copy, and the original also affects in deep copy.
Okay. What is the ternary operator in JavaScript?
Ternary operator usually used like if conditional statements. That means if the condition is true, it executed some value, and it is false, it executed some.
Okay. Write an example for ternary operator. You can write the even or odd program. Okay, if it is even, you can just write the even. If it is odd, you can write the odd. Yes. Okay, what is block scope?
Block scope means variables let and constant or block scope.
It allows only inside of the function. Block level only we are using this block scope values. Okay.
Lexical scope means we have the inner function. Lexical scope is mainly lexical scope is also called as is near to the closure, and the inner functions can usually take the variables from outer functions.
Okay. Just like block scope, global scope. Okay. What are the array methods in JavaScript?
The array methods in JavaScript are push to add an element at end, pop to remove an element from end, and shift and unshift used to operate in the starting of the arrays, and map is used to perform same operation on every element. Filter to filter some elements based on the condition. Reduce to reduce an array to a single element or value.
Okay.